Hey, I'm Skylar. The side switch on your iPad is really useful if you know how to configure it. The side switch is this one right here. When it's orange, it means that it's active, and when it's silver, it means that it's inactive. So let's go over where it is in the menus. Slide to unlock, tap Settings, and then go to General. Slide down a little bit until you see Use Side Switch to lock rotation or mute. So now it's going to lock the orientation of my screen, say if I'm watching a movie or reading a book, or mute, say if I'm listening to music and I know somebody might be calling my name. That's it. I'm Skylar. Thanks for watching.